Section: Hook. New research from Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health shows that 74% of adults are unknowingly accelerating gut inflammation, cellular aging, and disrupted sleep. And it all comes down to one ancient fruit most Western doctors have never once mentioned in a consultation. Section: Intro. In the next 6 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how drinking one specific juice every single morning can reduce oxidative stress by 38%, repair your gut lining, and measurably improve your sleep quality within 14 days. You'll walk away knowing the 3 things most people get completely wrong about morning nutrition, and the one biological mechanism that changes absolutely everything. I'm not going to waste your time. Let's get into it. Section: The problem. You've been told to start your morning with lemon water or green tea or a protein shake, and maybe you've tried all 3. But here's the thing nobody tells you. Your cortisol naturally peaks within 30 minutes of waking. That window is everything. What you consume in that window either feeds your gut microbiome and signals your body to recover, or it spikes inflammation and throws your entire circadian rhythm off for the rest of the day. Most morning routines completely ignore this. They focus on energy, when what your body is actually screaming for is repair. Your gut lining is like a freshly patched road. Every night while you sleep, your body works to seal the cracks. But if you wake up and immediately flood that road with the wrong inputs, sugar, acidic coffee on an empty stomach, processed protein powders, you're tearing up the repair work before it even sets. The result? Bloating, brain fog, disrupted sleep the following night, and accelerated aging. You can't see, but your cells absolutely feel. Section: The research. A 2024 study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology tracked 12,400 adults over 90 days and found that participants who consumed Amla, also called Indian gooseberry, daily showed a 38% reduction in systemic oxidative stress markers and a 27% improvement in reported sleep quality scores compared to the control group. That's not a small signal. That's a biological shift. Stanford University researchers published findings in 2023 showing that Amla's polyphenol compounds increased lactobacillus and bifidobacterium populations in the gut microbiome by 31% after just 21 days of consistent use. Those are the exact bacterial strains linked to lower anxiety, better serotonin production, and deeper slow-wave sleep. And a 2025 Harvard Medical School analysis tracking 18,000 adults over 5 years confirmed that individuals with the highest daily vitamin C intake from whole food sources, not synthetic supplements, had 44% lower levels of inflammatory cytokines, the same cytokines directly tied to accelerated cellular aging and poor sleep architecture. Section: The mechanism. Here's where it gets interesting. Your gut works like a thermostat for your entire body. When it's calibrated correctly, everything runs within range. Your cortisol drops on schedule at night, your melatonin rises, your cells repair efficiently. Amla contains one of the most bioavailable forms of vitamin C found in nature, roughly 20 times the concentration of a standard orange. But it also carries tannins, flavonoids, and ellagic acid that act as natural prebiotics, feeding the beneficial bacteria that produce short-chain fatty acids. Those fatty acids directly lower gut inflammation, signal your vagus nerve to calm your nervous system, and help your body transition into the parasympathetic state you need for deep restorative sleep. One small fruit. A cascade of biological benefits that starts in your gut and ends with better nights. Section: The 3 steps. Step 1. Drink 30 milliliters of raw amla juice, diluted in 200 milliliters of room temperature water, within 20 minutes of waking, before any food or coffee. Research suggests this single habit alone produces a measurable shift in gut microbiome diversity within 14 days. Step 2. Add a small pinch of black pepper to your amla drink. Piperine in black pepper increases the bioavailability of Amla's polyphenols by up to 20%, based on findings from the Journal of Food Science published in 2023. Zero cost, massive return. Step 3. Wait at least 30 minutes before your first meal. This gives Amla's compounds time to interact directly with your gut lining without competing with other macronutrients. Doctors recommend using this window for a short walk or 5 minutes of sunlight exposure to amplify the circadian reset effect. Section: What to avoid. Mistake 1. Mixing Amla juice with hot water or hot tea. Heat above 70 degrees Celsius degrades vitamin C by up to 60% and deactivates the enzyme compounds that make Amla uniquely powerful. You're essentially drinking expensive colored water. Always use room temperature or cool water. Mistake 2. Taking Amla alongside synthetic iron supplements in the same sitting. Amla dramatically enhances iron absorption, which sounds like a benefit, but if you're supplementing iron without medical guidance, that combination can create excess free radicals in your gut, worsening the very inflammation you're trying to reduce. Timing matters more than most people realize. Section: Outro. If what you learned today changes how you approach your morning routine and your gut health, subscribe to Ping Health. We post science-backed health insights every single day, and I genuinely want to hear from you. Have you ever tried Amla juice? And if so, what difference did you actually notice in your energy or sleep? Drop it in the comments below. I read every single one.